Hello friends! Making a change in life can sometimes play a very significant role. However, it doesn't always have to be something big or difficult. Even the smallest changes can transform you completely. In today's video, I'm going to share simple, easy, and achievable changes that can make your life happier and boost your self-confidence.
Oh, stress! Oh my god, stress! Oh my god!
Stay with me until the end to learn how small steps can bring big improvements to your life. First of all, inner change is essential. For instance, instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, take a few minutes to think about the things you're grateful for. This habit might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. I've personally tried it, and I've noticed how being thankful for the opportunities in my life has brought even more positivity my way. Try it for yourself. In fact, while you're watching this video, take a moment to think about something, no matter how small, that you're grateful for. This little but powerful habit always works. It will set a positive tone for your day and fill it with energy. Also, consider creating a comfortable morning routine for yourself. Even a small amount of time dedicated to self-care can significantly improve your quality of life. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Distance yourself from negative people. No matter how important they are in your life, anyone who makes you feel unworthy or bad about yourself should be left behind with this new change. Now, let's move on to appearance. Changing your hairstyle can refresh your perspective and renew your confidence. A small change, like cutting your hair differently, trying a new color, or simply giving your hair better care, can make a big difference. If you don't know how to care for your hair, check out the tutorials on my channel. They'll help you get started. Such changes will undoubtedly boost your self-love. Seeing yourself happy in the mirror doesn't stop with your hair. Pay attention to your skin, experiment with makeup in a style different from what you're used to, or try new techniques. Even a simple, natural makeup look can make a significant difference in your appearance. Focus on finding the tones that suit you best. This will not only make you look good, but also enhance your self-confidence. I hope this video truly inspires change in your life. Your choice of clothing is another excellent way to express yourself. Go through your wardrobe and try to find styles that suit you best. Keeping up with trends isn't necessary. What's most important is feeling comfortable and beautiful in your outfits. Wearing colors and cuts that flatter you will make you smile every time you look in the mirror. Don't forget to set small goals for yourself. Simple objectives, such as reading a new book, trying out a different recipe, or going for a daily walk, can positively impact your life. Also, create moments of relaxation for yourself. Sometimes, something as simple as sipping a cup of tea while listening to your favorite music can help you escape daily stress. Finally, don't be afraid to change the things you don't like about yourself. If your weight bothers you, create a healthy plan and start shedding those extra pounds. Or, if you feel too thin and it's a source of insecurity, look for ways to gain weight in a healthy manner. Every change you make should be for yourself, not to please others. Remember, when you see yourself the way you want to in the mirror, it brings happiness, and that happiness reflects on your entire life. Happiness is the best beauty product you can wear. So don't delay. Start making changes in your life today. What's the first change you want to make? What bothers you the most about your life? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.